Hey everybody, Pete Blank here for this week's edition of Pete's Points here at Walt Disney World, and behind me you see the fantastic Splash Mountain attraction. What I want to talk to you about today is this word inclusion, and I want to make sure we don't use the word inclusion in our organizations as a buzzword. I want to make sure that it has meaning and we're doing impactful things for both our customers and our employees around inclusion. In fact, I've been talking for years. When I worked here, they were called the 4 quality standards: safety, courtesy, show, and efficiency. They're now called the 4 keys, but Disney recently added a 5th key called inclusion. And they're going to start doing a lot of things in the theme parks around inclusion. One of them is going to be turning Splash Mountain into a new attraction based on the Princess and the Frog. So Princess Tiana, Louie, all of your favorites will be a brand new attraction here as they reskin this. I want to talk to you today about your organizations. What are you doing to be more inclusive? You know, something simple that we do on our training team is when we create PowerPoint slides, we're trying to make sure that the images and photos that we use are representative of everybody and are more inclusive. So look at your marketing materials. Look at the way that you offer different products and services to your employees and your guests. Do everything you can, like Disney, to make inclusion one of the 5 keys to run your business successfully. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Pete's Points.